Football is worshipped around the world, sometimes the only way to break bravado and make grown men cry. Over 100 independent fan clubs have started for this new team. Only supporting this team results in saving animals and the environment. Owned by Vince O.B.E, who has the only energy company certified vegan by the Vegan Society and Viva. No stakeholders, so no greenwashing. The vegan Green Devils, or Forest Green Rangers, in their zebra stripe kit, half made from sustainable bamboo by Player Layer. Their tracksuits are recyclable, and their League One kit will be made from used coffee grounds. They are, of course, washed with vegan products. The third kit is badass, and all proceeds go to these Marshals of the Sea. Instantly sold out. Colorcities and microbiality is a nice ideal by Bolt that should mold the fully charged YouTube channel sponsor. By the way, the organic rain collecting pitch is cut by a solar-powered robot. The ground maintenance is award-winning. The other main sponsors, English Football League, are the world's oldest, 1888. These three food companies are plant-based, not vegan, but Faith in Nature seems to be everything a vegan cleaning and cosmetic company should be. Candriam, the ethical treasurer, Grundon, the waste management, clearly doing a job in watering the organic pitch with filtered urine, and WESI for the infrastructure. So FDR finished top of their league, winning half their games, and have a +7 goal difference, selling their striker for 325 grand. So vegan macro and micronutrient support has evidently worked out, so we wish them luck in the big leagues next season. Of course, the players use reusable water bottles and likely don't touch the vegan beer. From 2015, the stadium menu was fully vegan. In 2018, the UN certified them as the world's first carbon-neutral pro footy club. Their local low-salt and low-fat food is now used by hospitals and used by over 2,000 centers of education. They boast spicy pasty, meatballs, Greek gyros, and Jamaican jerk or shiitake burger. Even their Q pie is award-winning. Lately, FGR rented an all-electric coach like this, because the most they've ever paid for a player is £23,000. The coach would cost 325 grand. Just waiting for the Roman archaeologists to finish, the all-wooden stadium will take 500 trees and 1.8 kilometers of hedges to build. The second largest stakeholder is Hector Bellerin Moruno, who turned vegan and is passionate with what he believes in.
On a busy game, we run out of water, we have to bring a tanker up, we're on the edge of power, we can't cook any more chips.
Bucks the trend from a club of this nature, and
there is no club of this nature. I think there's 100 different fan clubs now, self-formed around the world for Forest Green. That's great, but they did that because of who we are and what we do, and we're just carrying on doing that.